Hey kids! What do you like the most? You like milkshake or ice cream? Yay! Ice cream! Now let's start the color. Select the pink color. Yay! You are doing great! Perfect! Can you tell me which flavor is this? Strawberry or chocolate? Yes, you are right. It's strawberry. Now we will select the peach color.
Wow!
It's almost done. Great! Good job! Now it's time to put some sprinkles on it. Select the yellow color. Now orange color. It looks yummy but incomplete. Select the purple color. We need to put some more sky blue color. Okay, you did it well. Now it's time to put some chocolate flavor. Yummy! I need some more. Yellow color. Green color. Wow, the ice cream is ready. Would you like to eat ice cream? Now we have to change the background. So we selected aqua blue color. Now it's time to change the background. Let's color with me. Is it done?
Wow!
Someone is very happy. Like and subscribe.